Hey everyone, so let's take a look at this app, Mytunes AI Music Generator, one of the top apps right now in the music category. You know, there are so many these new AI music apps, and this one of the most popular ones. So yeah, let's just open it up. As you can see, 28,000 ratings, 10 million plus songs generated. Instantly create your dream songs with our powerful AI music generator. Turn your ideas and lyrics into captivating songs within seconds. Experience music creation like never before. Create your with AI voice, AI songs, make a lyrics. Let's just open it up. So you can see 7-day full access, kind of like a trial option. First 7 days, $5, then auto renews at $10 per week, and then yearly access at $40. But there is also limited free version which you can try. So here you can just try to suggest some lyrics. You can try to write some song. So there is separate like a lyrics description, and then there is like a song description. And then you can also select some different modes like happy, chill, confident. You can select instrumental. So let's try it out. An aggressive jazz song about dancing all night long. So let's just try to create. And then as you can see, yeah, you need to actually upgrade. And then you have also AI covers. You can also create AI cover. Just choose a song from YouTube that you would like to make a cover and then use your voice. You can create your own voice just by reading phrases to train your voice, and then do a voiceover for any YouTube file video. Then you can also do mashup. You can blend two songs with AI. And then yeah, you can see all of the details in here. So yeah, unfortunately you need to upgrade. Please put more likes under this video. If if I get more likes, I will just upgrade and create an overview of upgraded version, so you can see whether you need to upgrade or not. There are no any referral codes for this app, unfortunately, so that's just what it is. But yeah, there you have it. A pretty cool app for creating AI music. You know, this AI music is not perfect. The AI models for music creations are not there yet, unfortunately, but it's getting better and better. So don't expect that you will create some like super cool full-scale music or song with it. No, you will just basically create some kind of AI tune with it, just some kind of basic instrumental thingy. But yeah, that's just what it is. It's a good start.